Alright, so this is just a quick unboxing video on the CTS TURBO air intake system. This is going to be for my MK4 GTI. This is for the 1.8T. I've been waiting for this. Too bad I'm too tired to install it. I wanted to install it as soon as I get it, but a little bit tired today. I got this from ECS Tuning for $169, and this is what comes in the box, just in case you guys were interested in what's it called. Let's see what's in the box. Got the what is this? It's like a weather strip type thing for the top of the intake. This is the actual heat shield for the intake, and then those these things go on top like that. Breather, the air sensor, and yep. That's how it goes, the box. What else is here? Got the little bolts over here. I guess I could put the little bolts together. But it comes with a filter. This is the filter for the thing. For the intake, it's a nice filter. CTS Turbo intake. So after the box is assembled, you put your sensor over there, and it clamps on right here. I don't have any tools on me right now, but I will put it together. And this one is just a little breather. It's a breather filter, and this one goes right here. So basically right there, and then the other filter right here, and then that's pretty much it. I'll do a review on this intake, and I hope that it is gonna sound great. But that's it. It's nice powder coated metal. I don't know if that's powder coated or whatever coat it is. It's nice. But that's what comes in the box of the CTS Turbo kit. I mean CTS air intake system for the 1.8T MK4 GTI. Thanks for watching.